Is it possible to install Android TV on Samsung Smart TV?
Hello and welcome to our video. Today, we're going to discuss a burning question. Is it possible to install Android TV on a Samsung Smart TV? Let's dive into the details and find out the answer.
What is Android TV and Samsung Smart TV?
Android TV is a smart TV platform developed by Google, which uses the Android operating system to offer a wide range of apps, games, and streaming services. On the other hand, Samsung Smart TVs use their own platform, Tizen OS, which also provides access to various apps and streaming services.
Can you install Android TV on a Samsung Smart TV?
The short answer is no, you cannot directly install Android TV on a Samsung Smart TV. This is because Samsung Smart TVs are designed to work with their own Tizen OS and are not compatible with the Android TV platform out of the box.
What are the alternatives?
While you cannot directly install Android TV on a Samsung Smart TV, there are alternative ways to access Android TV content on your Samsung television. 1. Android TV boxes. These devices connect to your TV via HDMI and allow you to access Android TV content. You can install your favorite apps, games, and streaming services on the Android TV box and use them on your Samsung Smart TV. 2. Chromecast. A Chromecast device connects to your TV and lets you cast content from your Android phone, tablet, or computer to your Samsung Smart TV. This way, you can enjoy Android TV apps and content on your television. While it's not possible to directly install Android TV on a Samsung Smart TV, there are alternative solutions like Android TV boxes and Chromecast devices that allow you to enjoy Android TV content on your Samsung television. We hope this video has been helpful in answering your question. Thanks for watching.